Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video we are going to share you another great project called Pulse Doge, and the website link is pulsedoge.win. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily on the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Pulse Doge is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. Let's see about the Pulse Doge. I am in it for the technology. Pulse Doge is a community meme token on the Binance Smart Chain. We are here to bring an adaptation to Pulse Chain and show the world which Doge has the biggest swinging blocks in crypto. All holders will receive an equal 1:1 airdrop on the Pulse Chain at launch. Here we can see the contract address. Here we can join their most active Telegram community. Here we can buy this token on the PancakeSwap. Here we can join their Twitter. Here we can find the information on Gitbook, and here we can see the price chart on KuCoin chart. Here you guys can see their Telegram community. It is of 788 members, and the Telegram link we can see here. Here we can find the description of this Telegram, and we can check this community is always active, so you can ask any of your doubts in this Telegram community. Make sure to follow their Twitter account also, pulsedoge.win. Here we can see the 708 followers, and all this we can check here. You can see these tweets here, and you can follow them and chat there also. Let's see what is Pulse Doge. Pulse Doge is a community token launched fairly on the Binance Smart Chain with the intention of onboarding users from there to the upcoming Pulse Chain launch. Users holding Pulse Doge on BSC will receive an equal 1:1 airdrop on Pulse Chain once we have deployed the token on that chain. This means you will receive the double amounts of the token because they will exist independently on each chain, BSC plus Pulse Chain. Once on the Pulse Chain, Pulse Doge holders will enjoy new features and use cases as you develop the project further. 100% liquidity lock will be off for 555 days, 100% transparency, 100% community driven, no admin keys, no developer tokens, no fake one to dilute supply, no pre-minting or any minting functions, no inflation, no slippage issue, no transaction fee, no reflection fee, no Ponzi-nomics, no referral programs. Here we can buy this Pulse Doge token on the PancakeSwap. Here we can see the Pulse Doge chart, nomics for week, month, year, and rank. We can see market capital, ATH percentage, volume, and transparency volume, and all this daily 24 hours change we can find here. There is the artwork gallery of this Pulse Doge artwork. We can find this all artworks here. Some YouTubers already reviewed this great project, so you can check these YouTube videos out from this page. We can easily buy this token on the PancakeSwap by simply clicking I understand, then clicking quote wallet. Then you can swap from BNB to Pulse Doge token easily. Here we can see the KuCoin chart, live price of this Pulse Doge BNB, and here we can see the market capital is $2.3 million. PCB to Pulse Doge BNB LP holdings is 84.66 BNB, which is equal to $30,460. And if we go down, we can find the transactions here, and if we go down, we can find their buys also. Let's see the BSC scan contract address of this token. Here we can see the total supply, and here we can see the 572 holders are there active, and transfer are 4,725 total transfer. Contract address we can see here, and decimal digit is 18, and if we go down, we can find the transactions here. So guys, if you like the token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.